Hey guys, I am back in Calgary. Hope you guys enjoyed my Korea vlogs. Korea was freaking 10 out of 10. I am just having the travel glow, I guess, but I am very happy to be back in Calgary. Kind of a mess right now. My lashes are struggling a little bit. I'm just gonna let it be. I bought some new lippies in Korea and I freaking love them. So I think I'm gonna have to purchase some more. I did buy some new makeup and I've been trying it out and love it. It has made such a huge transformation. So I might do like an updated makeup or skincare routine since I feel like my skin's been thriving since I've come back from Korea. Quick little update. So today is quite a busy day. I went to the gym earlier and then I went to Sunsuke because I needed to buy some Hong Kong style barbecue. I am hosting some friends tonight. So we're doing like a little Asian potluck situations. Got that and also stopped at Willow, which is a beautiful bakery. It's Korean owned and I love their little desserts. I think they're called Dagored. But anyways, they're not too sweet and they're like Asian-ish flavors or fruitier flavors. Today, I originally wanted to get, they had like a mochi one, but I think it was sold out today. I want to show you because I want to open one of them. So I want to show you. They look so beautiful and they're so soft, not crumbly or anything. It's just so perfect. But yeah, I am also off to see another girlfriend. She had a baby a while back and I haven't had a chance to visit her. So I am going to do that as well. All right, guys, it is time to head off. I think I have about like a 20-minute drive to get there. But yeah, these are my new sunglasses. I got them from Blue Elephant and they're kind of similar to, they're like a cheaper dupe to a Gentle Monster pair that I wanted, and yeah. Also didn't get a chance to vlog very much at dinner, but this was our amazing meal that we had. Good morning. Oh, I feel so refreshed. I took a few extra days off for the end of the month just to recharge, and it is definitely much needed. I am grabbing lunch with a girlfriend. I haven't seen her in a while. We're going to Bull. I really like their lunch menu. Tonight I have dinner with another girlfriend and we are off to Shibuya. Shibuya finally reopened. I feel like they closed during COVID. It used to be like one of my go-to spots. So yeah, I am making myself a matcha right now. So I've been really into iced matcha instead of my hot matcha. Trying to figure out what level of sweetness and everything I like for it. So I'm still trying to like work it out. I am still using Paragon. This is the matcha that I've been using and I really love it. I'm almost done it actually. So maybe I need to buy some more matcha. But yeah. Anyways, it's crazy to me that skin treatments and just like changing up products can make such a difference on my skin. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I definitely notice a difference. Skin has been skinning and You guys know I've been through a lot with my skin over the past year and a half, and I'm so grateful to have my skin where it is now. Like, I am never gonna take this clear skin for granted anymore. Last year was a really humbling experience. So I ended up doing some laser treatments and Rejurin while I was in Korea, and I definitely noticed that my scar and hyperpigmentation have really lightened. And that is my oat milk matcha latte. This is my outfit. I think it might rain a little bit, so I'm gonna wear a coat too. So I am back. I actually went to the gym after lunch, and it was such a mediocre workout because I was so full. I am off to dinner now, going to Shibuya. We are eating now. We have the beef tataki. You're shy. We are gonna dig in. Come on, Juno. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I just found a really awesome off-leash path. I think this is great exercise for me and Juno. She is so happy. Are you happy, Juno? Guys, it's honestly so crazy. I remember this was years back. This community that I'm living in right now was a community that I wanted to live in, and manifestation, because fast forward to 3-4 years, Juno and I are enjoying this amazing park that's just in our backyard. Oh, I know. I am trying a new recipe today, which I'm really excited about. It's gonna be zucchini tomato sauce chicken parm boats. Let me say that again. I'm doing a
Parmesan chicken tomato sauce zucchini boat.
Okay, so I just have the chicken cooking right now, and I washed my zucchinis. Basically, I'm gonna cut this in half so that we have our zucchini boats. Now I am just filling the zucchini. Now I'm just gonna top this off with parm and then bake this in the oven. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Oh, hot. It's pretty good. I think for next time, if I really wanted to make it extra good, I would use some like mozzarella cheese. That way I'll kind of like melt a little bit more with the chicken, and I'll kind of like hold its place on the zucchini boat. But you know, I don't want to add that much cheese, so this will do. Good morning. It is May, which reminds me, I need to peel off my beautiful calendar. Okay. Goodbye. Today is not an exciting day for Juno because this weekend is just filled with all her appointments. So she has her vet visit. This is my outfit today. Got new clothes for Bobo. We are at the vet and I'm so excited to see the new clinic, and it is absolutely beautiful. If you are looking to get a new vet, I highly recommend Royal Loop. They were so phenomenal. The clinic was beautiful, so clean, and everyone was just so friendly. Juno had such a great experience, and you can even come in and get a little treat for your little fur baby. Okay, so I just got home from taking Juno to the vet. She was actually so good. We've been with Dr. Harbour since Juno was 6 months old, and she opened up her own clinic in Marda Loop area, and it's such a beautiful clinic. Love seeing Dr. Harbour every single time, and Juno was great. It's kind of like an odd time right now. It's 3:30 and it's a little bit too late to have a full lunch because I have dinner. So I just cooked myself some wontons. Currently picking up my girlfriend. We are on our way to eat. It is so beautiful out that, oh my gosh, like my mood just changed entirely. So let's go. I just parked. It is Juno's dental cleaning, so I am going to drop her off there and head to, I think there's a monogram here, so I'm gonna go do a monogram and wait until she's done. Juno has been going to Canine Gentle Dental since she was a puppy, and it's so phenomenal here because they don't do any anesthesia on the dogs. Do like calm, soothing techniques to get your dog to relax so they can scale the teeth, and you get a full report on the gum health, teeth health. If there's any loose teeth or any concerns, they will definitely have that in the report as well. I just finished at the coffee shop. I just went to Monogram, but it is time to pick up the doggo from her teeth cleaning appointment. So let's do that now and try not to get hit by a car in the process.
Your mom.
Hi, baby.
I'm so proud of myself.
Yeah, did you
She
read
did so
it?
good. She's maintained. Her mouth looks great.
For dinner, I went to Barbarella, and this is my second time at this restaurant, and I have to say, I think this restaurant is definitely in my top 5. I loved absolutely every single dish. The beet salad, calamari, and their pastas were amazing. The crab pasta was probably my favorite out of the 2 options that we got. It was such a wonderful meal, and this was such a feast. That is it for this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.